In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your attack color in the strongest battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, a lot of experiences like strongest battlegrounds give players the option to change the color of your attacks. But you will notice that with strongest battlegrounds, at least during the time that I'm recording this video, there are no such options. You will be able to hide some kills, kill streaks, and VIP status, and do some customization, but most of this customization is related to accessories and auras. So, if you really want to change the actual color of your abilities and the effects, then what you have to do is install a third-party tool. This tool is called Row Shade. So what this is going to do is allow you to use shaders inside of Roblox, so you can compare the difference on the website. As you can see, this is without shaders and this is with shaders. So not only will you be able to make the game look prettier, but you will also be able to customize the actual colors. So let's say there is an attack that you can use inside of Strongest Battlegrounds that has a specific color that you would like to alter. Then, by using that program, you would be able to change the color of the attack from red to green, for example. So all that you have to do is go over to the website and download Row Shade. Keep in mind that this isn't free. You can download the Lite package, but if you want to customize everything, you will have to purchase Pro. So once you purchase Pro, you will be able to go inside of the settings of Row Shade, and as you can see on screen, customize a lot of things about it. One of those is going to be the color, and you will be able to alter the saturation, so on. So customize everything, and you will be able to select from the colors available in there. If you don't want to purchase Row Shade and you only want to do it inside of the experience itself, then sadly the only options that you would have would be to customize the auras or the accessories. Besides this, I don't believe there is an option to change the actual attack color when you are inside of the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your attack color in the strongest battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!